you wanted me to give you. My darling, what is it that they told you?